Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my first impressions of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So I won't be doing an unboxing or none of that stuff. I actually already have the phone here. It's an amazing phone. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Alright, the reason I'm not making an unboxing video, but instead of first impressions videos, because I'm sure you've seen it already. You've already watched videos of other people unboxing this phone. Plus, the box itself only contains just the phone and the USB Type-C cable. So there's really not much to unbox here. Now, I want to make a bold statement here, and I want you to keep in mind that I'm saying this because this is the honeymoon period. This is the best phone that ever existed. Now, I take that back. This is the second best phone Samsung ever made, after obviously the Galaxy Z Fold, currently the Z Fold 3. I'm in love with this phone. Like, I meant to make this video earlier, but I've been playing with this phone so much so that, I'm just now shooting this video. This is, I missed it. I wanted to do there we go. This is such an how did I not buy this phone last year? Last year I went for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and this year I skipped the Z Fold 3 and went for this one. And I actually almost ordered the Z Fold 3 last night, even today. And now I'm thinking the reason I'm going to end up not ordering the Z Fold 3 is because of how much I love this phone. And by the way, before some people get upset and go in the comment section and say that I said that this was the second best phone that Samsung ever made, that I'm wrong, all of that good stuff, that the S21 is better because it has better camera ahead of this, please keep in mind that that's just a blanket statement that I'm throwing out there simply because I'm going through the honeymoon phase of the Z Flip 3. I don't actually mean that this is the all-time best phone. These are my first impressions. I'm going to test out the phone even more, and then I'm going to come with you with a full review of the phone. That being said, I also want you to keep in mind that my good buddy Adam from Tech Odyssey, some of you may know him, and if you don't know, make sure to check him out. I'm going to put the link to his channel in the description. Check him out. He actually called us ahead of time. He's calling this the phone of the year, right? Well, you have to watch his video to see why he said that. Anyway, so this phone is loaded with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, so the best chipset on Android as of now. I know the other one's coming out, like 898, that should be coming out, but as of now, 888 here, 8 gigs of RAM, I believe. If you go for 256 gigs, there also will be 8 gigs of RAM. And by the way, if this is your first time visiting, well, welcome to the channel. Of course, I appreciate you stopping by here, and I'm certainly hoping that you're enjoying the content so far. And if you are, I truly appreciate that again. Please do me a huge favor. Hit both the like and the subscribe button. That's a tremendous boost to this channel here. And again, I truly appreciate that. Make sure also to hit the bell notification so that you're aware of any video that I may drop. Performance so far has been crazy snappy. So clean. Such a clean performance. It's also loaded with Android 11, and you have One UI 3.1 sitting on top of that. It is amazing. I meant to shoot this video about 2 hours ago, but I've been playing on this phone for so long. If you even look at the battery life, you see that the thing is pretty much dead because I played with it. Now it's about 7%. I'm not sure if you can see, but anyway, so this is a fantastic phone so far. It is so cool. I don't even know where to start. It's a well-rounded phone. It looks like it's been improved on so many different aspects, including the folding mechanism, which is now rated. It's now rated IPX8 water resistant. So you won't go swimming with this, but it could definitely sustain, raindrops and things like that. And of course, you would have your typical physical features on here. You have the power button that is comboed also with a fingerprint sensor, right? So you have the fingerprint sensor embedded in that power button. You have the volume rocker right above that. It's a pretty tall phone. I have pretty large hands and might struggle a little to get to that volume rocker. So volume rocker there. We don't have a headphone jack. We do have a USB Type-C port right there. It looks like one speaker at the bottom. On the left-hand side, we have the SIM tray there, and I would also combo that with the microSD card on the back. Of course, the other half that folds, you have the main camera module there. I believe that's going to be two 12 megapixel cameras. You have a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the front one, the selfie camera, is going to be a 10 megapixel. Now, picture quality here may not come out to be the same as the, let's say, the S21 Ultra, but picture quality is really, really good on here also, at least based off of the pictures and the one video that I took. Very good phone so far. I am loving this, and I think this is going to be a pretty popular phone based off of the price tag, right? $1,000 or $999. Overall, the phone feels pretty solid, right? It just feels solid, and just folding it and man, I really see why people like this phone so much. This is such a cool phone. I really can't get past that honeymoon phase just yet. It's a really cool phone and so satisfying when you open it. And I know people advise not to do it, but I just like to, you know, so satisfying. Such a cool way to open a phone. And it's a really tall phone, and I'm pretty sure I said that already. Very, very cool phone here. And I think that's going to be it for my first impressions. This is not, you know, a full review, so I'm pretty sure you didn't anticipate me going through, you know, every detail of the phone. Now, do you have any questions? Make sure to put those in the comment section. Are there things that you'd like for me to test out on this phone? Make sure to put those in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this phone, you know, just as a foldable. I know a lot of people don't believe in foldables, you know, people who don't think it's the future. Again, I personally think it is, especially with Samsung starting, but you know, to drop the price tag on these things. This year, $999, come on now, things are happening. You know, the technology is getting better, and these things are getting, I'm not going to say more affordable, but the prices are coming down on them. And if you remember in my foldable video, I did say that the reason I see this being part of the future is simply because I think eventually the price is going to level up around where you would get, you know, your normal phone, whether it's an iPhone or, you know, an S21 or S20, whatever the case may be, around the same price, you will get a foldable phone. So that's the future. Let me know what you think. I'm going to catch you in the comment section like I always do. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. I appreciate you watching this. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Make sure to like, share this video, and up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.